Here I have OPPO A1X, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. So unfortunately you can't find it here, but by going to settings and then to the sounds and vibration section you can find Do Not Disturb here. Here you can switch it. Here you can set up a schedule for it. For example, you can select its name, you can select start time, end time of the schedule, and also you can select days on which it will repeat. You can add exceptions to this mode. It could be people, it could be apps. You can also enable ring for repeated calls feature, which works the way that a second call from the same number within 3 minutes will not be silenced, and you can also silence media when Do Not Disturb is on. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.